Hello everyone. Today in this video we learn about how to resolve the problem of Audacity. Uh, Sometimes it's happened that some audio file not supporting and showing that you have not installed FFmpeg some file. So to resolve this problem, first of all you should have to install Audacity, and in Audacity, first of all open Audacity. After opening the Audacity, you have to go here, edit option. Click on edit option or directly press Ctrl plus E. So I am clicking edit and here references Ctrl plus P. Click on this. After this, go to library. I have already here clicked library. In library, you have option that FFmpeg library download. Then you have to download some files from the internet. So click on download. After clicking on download, it automatically redirect this official page of Audacity. You have seen here Windows FFmpeg installation section. You have to click here. After clicking this, you have to click here install FFmpeg for Windows. Here. After clicking this, new page opened, and you have to go to external FFmpeg downloader page. So you have to download. Click here. After clicking one new page, again opened in front of you. Then you have to download from here. Windows R FFmpeg installer. Please click the following link to download here. FFmpeg v2.2.2 installer.exe. Don't install any other, only install here for Windows, because I am making video for Windows. So you have to download here FFmpeg v2.2 installer. Click here, download starts. Then I have already downloaded it, so I am cancelling it. You have to download this and install this file in your computer or desktop. So after this, minimize here, and here this Audacity automatically located these files. All you have to see, then FFmpeg library locate. Then here Audacity has automatically detected valid FFmpeg libraries. Do you want to still locate them manually? Press no. After no, click on OK. Then your problem 100% resolved. You make your Audacity with audio editing very fast. So I think this helps to you for making your problem solved. So please do subscribe our channel to motivate us, and do subscribe and like, comment,